features of Earth. Learning about the physical features of Earth. Hello children. Today, let us study about the physical features of the Earth. Continents and oceans. If aliens had visited the Earth 200 million years ago, they would have seen one huge continent surrounded by an ocean. Over 180 million years ago, the original landmass split itself up into larger pieces. As these pieces moved further away, the continents and oceans were formed. The 7 large parts of land or continents are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. The largest continent is Asia, and the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. We can see the position of the continents and oceans on the world map or globe. Landforms. The Earth, we know, is made of land and water. The land has some characteristics which are known as its physical features. The physical features of land are mountains and hills. Mountains and hills. Mountains are often joined together in a line or series, which is known as a mountain range. The largest mountain range is the Himalayas. The tops of the mountains are known as peaks. The highest peak is Mount Everest at 8,848 meters above sea level. The mountain peaks are very cold and are covered with snow and ice. High areas which are not as high as the mountains are known as hills. Valleys and plains. The low area between the hills is known as a valley. Plains are large stretches of almost flat land. They are generally fertile because of rivers flowing through them. The plains along the sea coast are called the coastal plains. Plateaus. A plateau is a broad flat land which is higher than the plains. They are also known as tablelands. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest in the world and is called the roof of the world. Peninsula. A peninsula is an extension of land into a sea or ocean. It is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Desert. Most deserts are in hot parts of the world where it is dry all the time. Some deserts are covered by huge and sand dunes. But there are many other deserts which include rocky surfaces. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world. Some deserts can also be cold as well, where nothing grows and they are covered by snow. Islands. Islands are bodies of land surrounded by water on all the sides. A group of islands close together in the sea is known as the archipelago. Water bodies. Oceans are large bodies of salt water covering nearly 2/3 of the Earth's surface. Major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Seas. Seas are bodies of salt water, smaller in size to oceans. The Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, South China Sea, and the Arabian Sea are some of the important seas. Rivers. Rivers are large natural flows of water moving in a channel and emptying into an ocean, sea, lake, or another river. Lakes. A lake is a body of water surrounded by land. There are both freshwater and saltwater lakes. Landforms and water bodies affect and determine the climate and lifestyle of people living in the area. Summary. Long ago, there was a split in the single landmass which resulted in the formation of continents and oceans. The land has different features like mountains, hills, valleys, plains, plateaus, peninsula, and deserts. Oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes are the features of water bodies. Landforms and water bodies affect the climate and lifestyle of people living in the area. And that is all in this lesson, student. Let us study about India's physical feature in our next topic. Till then, good going and keep learning.